because I wanna showcase the difference in brokers, right? So here's what you're doing. You're gonna scroll the screen. I'm gonna cut out all of these things up on the top if you're fine with that. But drag the chart to the right for me, the hard right edge of the screen. Right. And stop it. Come back to the center a little bit. Little thing again, little bit. All right, good. So this is a difference, and this is where we know that brokers are very dangerous, right? Now I want you to go to the other goal from Oanda. You notice that that wick is not there.
Yeah.
What is interesting about this is that happens in brokers sometimes, and a lot of people don't know that, right? Now, a lot of people would see that wick and it is there, right? And then sometimes it mightn't be there, and it is because the broker itself is manipulating the data. So you can actually see where Oanda's price action and Oanda's data is a lot more stable than, go back to that other one. That other one is who?
That's FXIDC.
FXIDC. FX, I don't care. That's what it is. FX, I don't care. Right? I don't know, but this is insane. This is insane. Like,
if I was trading that.
if this isn't manipulation, I don't know. Right? If this is not manipulation, I don't know. This is exactly why you would lose trades, because you're not being fed the right price data. So it's interesting, eh?
I feel like I need to look at all my because that's like crazy.
It is. It absolutely is.
But I thought everyone saw it like that. So I was just like, gold has been acting weird lately, like for these past couple months. I was telling my brother that.
And that is the thing. You probably thinking, well, wow, gold is going mad. What's all these wicks? And everybody's like, what are you talking about? Yeah, so this is why you would make certain decisions, because you're being fed I wouldn't say wrong data, because the data for the most part is actually the same, but it is way more manipulated, and thus you are going to be fed wrong ideas and concepts because the data is manipulated. So that's something we definitely want to watch out for almost at all times, right? It is very important that we try to make sure that the data that we're being fed is not being manipulated. Anytime you see in wicks like this, you see in price action look like this, scroll it to the left a little for me. Anytime you're seeing stuff like that, oh yeah, book it. Book it. It is being manipulated. The data, not the market, the data is being manipulated. Yeah?
That's crazy. Yeah.